Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Your phone is updated and the microphone works. Once done, open Settings and enable microphone and location permissions for the Voice Assistant app. Make sure Bixby or Google Assistant is installed and activated. Tap Advanced Features, then Voice Assistant to toggle it on, and follow the on-screen prompts to accept permissions. This lets the assistant hear you and access needed services, so commands will be processed reliably and responses will match your context. Next, train the wake word and personalize how the assistant responds. Speak the wake phrase 5-6 times in a quiet room so recognition improves. Once trained, open assistant settings to add quick phrases and create routines that chain actions together, like lights off then music on. Make sure to link your Samsung or Google account and any smart home providers so the assistant can access devices. This setup reduces friction and lets you issue complex commands with a single phrase. Now you execute everyday commands. Speak naturally and give context, for example, "Hey Bixby, set a 10-minute timer," or "Hey Google, play jazz in the living room." If the assistant mishears you, retrain the voice model and verify microphone permission. Background noise often causes errors. If responses stop altogether, restart your phone and clear the assistant app cache. That fixes most glitches. Finally, make sure linked accounts are signed in and network access is stable for reliable performance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.